Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's your boy Jamal. Hope you guys are all doing well. Happy 2020. Happy New Year to everyone out there. If you guys are a new subscriber, I want to thank you guys so much for your support. We just hit 3,000 subscribers on the channel, so that was really awesome to see to end off 2019. So in this video today, I wanted to make a quick follow-up video on the MightyMouse catch can that I installed a few months ago. If you guys remember in that video, I said that I would make a follow-up video to show you guys how much oil, if any, that I did catch. So before I get into how much oil I caught, one thing you guys might notice immediately off the bat is that the install looks a little bit different than what I did in that video. If you guys remember, I had deleted this PCV in the video and I had just run it straight to the intake manifold. Now, after reading some forum posts and after reading some comments on that video, a lot of guys questioned the way I installed it, and so it led me to start questioning myself too. So with me having the LS2 throttle body, I have a little bit of a different setup than the LS6, so I did wire it like the LS2, but the difference between the LS2 and the LS6 is that the LS2 has the PCV functionality in the valley plate, while the LS6 doesn't. It has an external PCV, as you guys can see here. So I contacted MightyMouse, I emailed them back and forth, showed them pictures of my install, asked them questions. They were super awesome, super top-notch customer service. I did buy this product full price, so no, they aren't paying me to say any of this. They didn't send me this product, but I just wanted to give them a huge shout out for being so awesome with their customer service. So they do make two types of cans, right? So one can has PCV functionality, so you actually can delete this. So if I had that can, that install would have been correct. But since I have what they call the draft can, there is no PCV or PCV functionality inside the can. So I had to re-plumb in my PCV. So basically I was able to take this all the way apart, and I got a little fitting, kind of like a connector fitting to connect in line the PCV here. And then one thing I also did wrong was I actually had the inlets and the outlets wrong. So basically, coming from the valley cover into the can was the outlet, and I wired that as the inlet, and then the inlet I wired as the outlet. So from the factory, this fitting here is actually the outlet, and this fitting here is the inlet. So I actually did have to switch the fittings, which wasn't a big deal with this can. You just unscrew the fittings, and then you swap them, and you screw them back in, tighten them back down. So I'll throw up a picture right here that shows that gold fitting, and so that gold fitting is actually a filter, and that's where the outlet is. So I switched it around so that I didn't have to change the way my my hoses were run, so I just switched the inlet and outlet, and I was able to solve that issue. So right now I want to throw this picture up. So remember, even with the can installed wrong, after 1,200 miles, this is how much oil I caught. So as you guys can see, it really does work. Awesome product. I'm glad that even with it wired wrong, I was able to catch that much oil. So that was huge for me. I was really excited to see that. But now it's right, and I've got the PCV wired in, so I'm really curious to see what the difference is and to see if how much more oil I might catch coming through the system. So that was just kind of a quick follow-up video I wanted to make for you guys, because I did promise you guys that I was going to make it, and I kind of wanted to show how I had improperly installed it and kind of update you guys on it being installed correctly now. And shout out to those guys in the comments on the last video that did point out that I had maybe installed it wrong, and that kind of led me to further research it, as otherwise I probably would have left it like it was. So anyways, there is the catch can installed properly. I'll re-update you guys when it is time to change the oil, see how much oil it catches this time around. So alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please comment, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. New videos coming next weekend. Peace.